title, The Baby Bird and the Snake. In a dense forest filled with the melodies of chirping birds and the rustle of leaves, a baby bird named Chirpy was living in a cozy nest high up in a tall tree. Chirpy had just learned how to flutter his tiny wings, but he wasn't ready to fly just yet. Every day, he watched his mother soar across the sky, gathering food and teaching him about the forest below. One sunny morning, while his mother was away searching for food, Chirpy felt a bit adventurous. He peered over the edge of the nest, his little heart racing with excitement. He wondered what it would be like to explore the world below. Just then, he heard a soft, slithering sound. A snake named Sly, with bright green scales that blended seamlessly with the leaves, had spotted Chirpy from the forest floor. Sly was hungry, and a baby bird would make a perfect meal. He silently made his way up the tree, his eyes fixed on the curious little bird. Chirpy, unaware of the danger, was busy trying to see how far he could lean out of the nest without falling. Suddenly, he felt a strange, cold sensation as Sly's tail wrapped around the branch near him. Chirpy looked down and saw the snake's piercing eyes staring right back at him. "Hello, little bird," hissed Sly with a sly smile. "What brings you so close to the edge?" Chirpy, not knowing who the snake was, chirped back, "I'm just trying to see what's down there. It looks so exciting." Sly saw an opportunity. "Oh, the forest is indeed very exciting. Would you like to come down and explore it with me? I know all the best places." Chirpy hesitated. Something about Sly's tone made him feel uneasy. He remembered his mother's words. "Always be careful of strangers, especially those who slither and hiss." Just then, a wise old owl named Ollie, who lived in a nearby tree, noticed what was happening. He had seen Sly's tricks before and knew that the snake was not to be trusted. With a swift flap of his powerful wings, Ollie flew down and landed on a branch near Chirpy and Sly. "Hello, Sly," Ollie said in a deep, commanding voice. "What are you doing near this nest?" Sly's eyes narrowed, annoyed by Ollie's interruption. "Just making a new friend, Ollie, nothing more." Ollie nodded slowly, keeping his gaze fixed on Sly. "Chirpy, this is not a safe friend to have. Snakes like Sly here are known to cause trouble, especially for young birds like you." Chirpy's eyes widened in fear as he realised the danger he was in. He quickly fluttered back into the nest, hiding behind a few twigs. Seeing that his plan was foiled, Sly hissed in frustration and slithered back down the tree, disappearing into the thick foliage below. Ollie watched until the snake was out of sight, then turned to Chirpy. "Thank you, Mr. Ollie," Chirpy chirped, still trembling a little. "I didn't know he was dangerous." "That's all right, little one," Ollie replied kindly. "The forest is full of both friends and foes. It's important to learn who to trust. Remember, not everyone who offers help has good intentions." Chirpy nodded, taking the owl's words to heart. From that day on, he was more cautious about whom he spoke to, and every evening when his mother returned, he would tell her everything he had learned. As the days passed, Chirpy grew stronger and wiser, always keeping Ollie's advice in mind. He practiced flying with his mother until one day he was ready to soar across the sky on his own. And though he explored the forest with great excitement, he never forgot to stay alert and cautious. And so, Chirpy grew up to be a smart and brave bird, always mindful of the lessons learned from the day he met the snake and the wise old owl. And from then on, the forest felt a little bit safer, knowing Chirpy was flying through it with his eyes wide open. **, the end.